रोजरी हायस्कूल बांबोळी स्काउट्स आणि गायड्सांचो 6वो वर्सुकी तराफो सुवाळो वास्को वाडेच्या तळ्यात जालो. हे तराफे विद्यार्थ्यांनीच तयार केल्ले. तांचे उदका विशयीचे भय जे तांच्या मनात आसात ते पयस करपा नदरेन हो सुवाळो आयोजीत केल्लो अशें आयोजकांनी सांगलां.
See, are their children going in the water, they prepare their own raft, they will get also motivated. They can bring their own this thing and they can save their future. This is one of the main aim. So after doing this, they will naturally do this. The main activity, this is our 6th year we are coming for this activity. Our main aim is how to prepare children or a scout guide to face the difficulties. Sometimes there is this thing is the floods are there, how they can prepare their own raft and they can move on. That is one. Second thing what we are trying to do is the fear of water. Once they are this thing, they come to know what is the exact what fear is there. That also comes out. And this is how they do this activity. They prepare their own raft. Though we teach them what lashing to put and how to tie them. Once they know this, they prepare this every year they prepare. Once we finish this activity, we dismantle all this stuff and we tell the next batch who is coming, you prepare, you learn, and this is how they learn the new. Otherwise, we will keep that whole thing. They'll next year they'll bring and they won't know. So this is how we do this activity.
That they gave us such an opportunity to make these rafts, and we had a great time, and especially Standard 9 who helped us to make all of these rafts, and we learned a lot of knots and lashing, especially taught by Sir Nameshwar, and I really thank the school for doing this.
How do you feel being in the water on your own raft?
Actually, I still didn't go, but still I'm very excited to go over here. So we'll have a great time.
You
Thank you.
think it will
रोजरी स्कुलाची भुरगीं येता राफ्टींग करपाक आनी आमची इच्छाशक्त वाडोवपाक. जेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें आमी येतली राफ्टींग करपाक, थोडे जाण भिले पूण थोडे जाण लागले खोशेन नाचपाक. भियेलेल्यांक टिचरींनी सांगात दिलो आनी तांच्या मनांतलो भंय काडलो. व्हडा उमेदीन आमी आज एक राफ्ट केली आनी उमेदीन आयज हांगा हाजीर जाली. अशें म्हणून कविता म्हजी सोंपयता. बऱ्या राफ्टिंगेचें देणें देवा कडेन मागता. बऱ्या राफ्टिंगेचें देणें देवा कडेन मागता.
It's a great experience for us. It's a great adventure, and all of us are really just having a lot of fun here. And we really thanks for Nameshwar for introducing this great adventurous activity for us.